helps user to replaying every message and log note in the chatter with using end replay button available. After installing this module, we can see end replay button in the chatter. So for that, let me get into the projects. Under task, we can see a list of tasks. Under that, let me get into one of the tasks. And this task is assigned to Mark Demo. Now I'm going to ask a question to the Mark Demo, have this task will be completed or not. So for that, let me use a log note for that. Okay, have you completed? Okay, so in this way we can make a log, and let me click on the log to submit this particular question to this particular task. Now let me log in using a Mark Demo user. Now I am in the virtual admin, so let me log in using a Mark Demo user. Now you can see I am in the login of Mark Demo user. So let me get into the task, same task. So for that, under project, under task, we can see the particular task. So from here you can see the message will be here. User can drop a replay in the replying chatter for the message. And from here we can give a reply yes, completed. Okay, once it is completed, I am placing in a reply and then completed. Yeah, once it is done, you can use and attach a file for attaching a file, or else you can just click on the log to send this particular message to the admin. Let me click on the log. Now you can see this Mark Demo user will be reply for this admin message. So in this way, we can make use of this module to quickly send and replay in the chat. Thank you for watching.